22,000 lang ang monthly amortization through Pag-ibig Financing pa yan. Maniniwala ka bang magkakaroon ka na ng 132 square meter na single attached unit na complete finish? If yes, then continue watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another quick house tour. For today, nandito tayo sa Golden Horizon to show you our Luisa single attached complete finish unit. And yes, so what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover of the unit. Kaya naman sa mga client ko na naghahanap ng affordable single attached dyan, huwag mo nang palagpasin to. Few units left na lang din tayo, kaya for sure, paunahan na lang talaga to. For lot area, ranging tayo ng 96 up to 200 square meters. May floor area ka na 66 to 69 square meters. Depende kung with or without balcony ang mapipili mo. May 3 bedrooms ka na, 2 toilet and bath, provision for 1 to 2 carport, at may service area ka pa that you can expand for future kitchen renovation. O diba? Kaya sobrang sulit talaga to. Available to through bank, Pag-ibig at in-house financing. Ang pre-selling